So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that gold on a weekly time frame just made a breakout of this major support zone that had these multi-year retest points like this, while also moving in respect to this beautiful downtrend channel over here. Now seeing how gold closed this week with this bearish engulfing candle below this major support zone, so gold could continue to push down, and if it does continue to push down, then we have this next key level with this multiple retest points over here. And even if you zoom out, then you have these multiple major retest points from 2013 to 2011 also. So that key level is the next key level where gold might continue to push down to make a retest on a higher time frame point of view if it does continue to push down with further bearish momentum. But we also have this key level which also has this some retest points over here which we have to keep our eyes on as well. However, if gold does go for some retracements instead of pushing down right now with further bearish momentum, then we have some key zones on a daily time frame which you can see where gold might continue to come up to as part of its retracements after all this bearish move. Now you can see these key zones right here and also some key levels over here. So these are the key zone where gold might come up to as part of its retracements before continuing to push down. So we're gonna look for trades on the short side on the breakout of this low that gold made on the previous week, and also we're gonna look for trades on the long side on the breakout of this key zone in hopes of gold pushing to the next key zones over here or key levels over here, and also to make a retest on this downtrend line once again if it does do that deeper pullback over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see gold right after creating this new lower low by breaking below this major support zone, it came right back up to make another retest on that major support zone, showing some sort of price ejection from here. Now we have this key zone and also this key zone with multiple retests like from these highs and these lows over here, which might act as gold's resistance if gold does continue to push down with further bearish momentum by breaking below this previous low over here. And we have this low which might act as gold support if gold does continue to push up to make some deeper retracements to any of these key zones or these key levels over here. Now on the upcoming week, if gold continues to respect this key zone or this key zone as its resistance and makes a breakout of this previous low over here, then if it does make a break and close below this previous low with further bearish momentum, then we can go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes to 50 minutes time frame and locate some sort of structure to be formed on those shorter time frame after it makes a break and close below this low over here. And then we can look for trades on the breakout of those structure to add more confirmations on our trades in hopes of gold coming all the way down to make a retest on this key level right around here, which we talked about on our weekly time frame that has this multiple major retest points even from 2013 to 2011. However, if gold instead of making a break and close below this previous low with further bearish momentum, if it does find strong support over here and continues to form these higher lows and makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum while moving in respect to a newly formed uptrend line which might look something like this or this, then gold might continue to push up to retest this key zone or all the way up to make a retest on this key level as part of its deeper retracements to make another retest on this downtrend line over here. So let's wait to see how gold reacts towards this key zone or this low and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading features so that you can see where all these key zones and trend lines and stuffs are. And to get more information about my mentorship details, you can always contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description. So I will see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.